Hello little artists. Welcome to Kids Drawing Hub. Today we are going to draw a colorful drawing. Let's draw together. Welcome to Kids Drawing Hub. Took your black marker. And let's start drawing. Let's begin with the shape of our stair. Start the drawing with a bigger shape. Now we took the help of some horizontal line to draw the stairs. Next, draw some vertical line to complete the stair. Now, one by one, we join the lines to draw the stairs. We use rainbow color to make our stairs extra bright and fun. Let's done the coloring. Orange color. Orange color. Orange color. Green color. Yellow color. Blue color. Blue color. Yellow color. Red color. Yellow color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.